Individuals who are charged with a crime and detained at Alvin S face very real possibilities of being stabbed, raped, and beaten before they ever see a courtroom. Such conditions violate the United States Constitution.
The Department of Justice has finished its investigation into the Richland County Jail. The U.S. Attorney for the District of South Carolina said that the violence at Alvin S. Glenn is, quote, pervasive, systemic, and commonplace. Adair Boros said that lapses in security often lead to victims of stabbings having to wait hours for help. The DOJ's findings report describes jail and county leaders as being, quote, deliberately indifferent to detainees' rights in some cases.
Investigators spoke with dozens of individuals detained at the jail, with their family members, as well as with community advocates. All of them had disturbing stories of violence. Their plea was the same. We are afraid for the lives of our loved ones. Something has to be done.
That they will work with the county to make a written agreement for changes the county needs to make for the jail to meet constitutional standards. If that doesn't happen, the DOJ can file a lawsuit or intervene in another lawsuit. Coming up at 5, investigative reporter Cynthia Beasley takes us through the other report and looks at how Alvin S. Glenn compares to other jails in Miami and New York when it comes to violence. Within the last hour, Richland County put out a news release saying that the county disagrees with the findings and strongly believes that they provide constitutional protections for detainees. They wrote that in the coming days, the county will, quote, work with the Department of Justice to correct the department's misguided conclusions and to carefully consider all appropriate recommendations as we continue to enhance the functionality of the facility, end quote.